Hi, and this is our part 3 of the RPG game. If you haven't seen the parts, then I put part 1, if you haven't seen it, in the top right. But yeah, all I've done is I've changed the names. So this is the player, ground, house, and house detector, and that's just the thing, the thumbnail, the words that you see in the thumbnail. Now, we didn't finish off last episode, so we'll continue what we're doing. You should have been on my screen. So, it's the outside room. Never mind. So all we need to do is when I receive outside, you can connect dots like that. Broadcast these. So when I clicked, we're gonna broadcast outside. I'm gonna make a floor for outside as well. So that's the outside floor. We just duplicate it. This is the house. 1. Put it next to each other actually. Floor. Click on it. That'll work. There we go. Get a code. So when I receive outside looks, which which costume. It's costume outside. Oh yeah, our player, by the way, needs to always go to a front. I mean, that to put it in the organization, just put it fine there. Space, nothing happened. However, the one plus space. That should be working. Is it because it's in? Yes. Oh, okay. This is easy to fix them. You can just make this. Actually, no, I got a smart idea. When space key pressed, we can put hide and then a show in front of it. You notice that? You already noticed that, we just 100% a second. So yeah, it should be fine. When space key pressed, yeah. But I think the problem will be it won't detect it in time. Oh no, it works. I would rather it didn't show. So apparently, let's just make it small actually. Let's do this. If I can get it. There you go. Oh yeah, it's moving this. Down to here. Bit more. Yes, no, it's too far. Yeah, that's good. Can't see it. And then we just do that. Yeah, that's good. So if we go to player, I also want it to always start facing right. And maybe like a bit further as well. Minus 150. And make them look right. Yeah, maybe we'll cut to the house. In it. But when... Okay, just a bit more of these broadcasts, I promise. Here we go. Receive. Yes. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a variable. Ignore what I don't need it. It was just like testing I was doing. So new variable name, it's gonna be place. The reason we need place is we're gonna set the place depending on where we are. So we can easily switch things. So we're gonna set the place to outside. And then last one, when I receive outside place, we can just do H1 and this can be outside. Oh, it's capital sensitive. I just make this one. Let's make it easier for myself. Alright, but we just want a way to exit the house. So, it's house 1. I'm gonna go here and I'll make a costume. So, this is gonna be like a mat on the ground that you can use to leave. And I'm gonna make it like that. And there you go. And then I'll just go back to code. Outside. Question 1. You can name the questions if you'd like. On the inside. Don't want it to hide actually. I'll move these down here. Yes, this is good. We do want it to move a little bit. Right here. There. So now I think that's good. Why is it? Is it because of this? Yes, it is. We need to change the Y. $55. And stuff here. Let's do it. 80. 75 is the one. Oh. Yeah, 74. That's good. So now I'm gonna get black. I'm gonna put leave. This might be weird. I know you gotta do it. Okay, this is good. Because it's kind of like an RPG thing, I think we can go for the pixel font. Yeah. Oh, it's a bit off. Yeah, we'll go for what way? I'll put 73 in. See if that's any good. Yeah, that is perfect, but we'll just need this to do that section. Like that. Get the receivers. This is the last one of these vanilla receivers. Just put its current coordinates. Okay. Okay, we just need to put this here so we can look at coordinates better. Well, no, it's not working. There it is. We want it there. 63 minus 127. And when I receive house 1, yeah. Now we just need it to go down again. 7 0. And we'll also make sure our player goes there. And house 1. Yeah, 0. Let's try this. Okay, we are touching it. Oh, yeah. This is where the variable comes in place. We need an if else statement. And if we have more houses, we can just change the if else. So if place equals outside, then we can broadcast outside else. We can broadcast house 1. Okay, when the flag clicked. Oh, yeah. Don't need that. Space. Hmm. Oh, I need to switch these around. That's very dumb. So here we go. And we'll go into the house. We're in the house. And we leave. We leave. That is part 3. I have finished houses. They are fully interactable and they work perfectly. So yeah, thanks for watching. In the next video, I know what we'll do, but we'll do something. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.